Today I'm going to show you the best 10 Blender add-ons that have saved me hundreds of hours. It's Jakub from the 3D Product Rendering Accelerator. Let's get started. The first one is Flip Fluids. The major advantage of Flip Fluids is that it's actually built only for fluids simulations. It features a much more user-friendly interface, produces much more realistic effects, and offers many options to customize your simulations. What's a game changer is that you can see your progress while the simulation is going on, so you don't have to wait for hours to realize that you made a mistake. Even if you encounter a crash, you can always resume your baking, which is awesome. Additionally, this add-on comes with presets for both simulations and materials. Lastly, you can bake and render your animation using CMD, which is a command prompt, with just a one click, which again will save you some time. Sanctus. It's an add-on with over 400 procedural materials, which means you can customize them, a few geometry node setups, decal tools, and much more. This is so cool that the creator even created a procedural tangerine material and these. No idea how you can use them, but this only shows that creators of this add-on are magicians. You even get some objects that you can customize, like this bookshelf. Also, it has some hidden features, like for example, additional textures available in the shader editor. Best of all updates are free, so whenever they release another update with additional materials, you get this no charge. Next one, RealTime Materials. If you watch Blender tutorials, you probably know who Daki3D is. Apparently, he's also the creator of RealTime Materials. This one offers over 290 procedural materials, and some of the textures are lighter than Sanctus, meaning you get faster previews and faster renders. Personally, I use this add-on every day when I've been working on some sci-fi/technological stuff. Without this add-on, I would not be recording this video, as I would be still doing all my textures manually. But there are also some photorealistic textures, like for example these wooden ones. And just like before, all updates are free. Droplet Generator. This add-on generates fully procedural droplets based on geometry nodes. It even supports animations, so you can animate some falling droplets. It's very easy to use, just select your object and click Add Droplets. Then go to your modifier settings and adjust this to your liking. You can also determine where you want the droplets to be with vertex groups and weight painting. RBC. RBC is an easy to use add-on allowing you to make vehicle rigs based on real physics. You can animate your scenes with cars riding on a bumpy road literally in no time without dealing with many keyframes. So let's just make a quick example scene. Alright, so here we are in the Blender. First of all, hit Add Rig, and now we have to set up our car. Set up our rig, very simple. Vehicle body for the body, back left, back right, front right, front left. Let's hit generate rig and see what happens. Generated, and as you see here, it kinda goes down. And let's hit the space, go with drive, and as you see it starts. If you want to stop, just hit break. It's so awesome. If you want this to go some way, you can adjust the steering. There is also a paid version of this add-on that has some more customization features. Curvify. It's a geometry nodes based curve generation tool made by CG Matter, letting you make many different procedural things. My favorite ones are water along path, dangling cables, flow, roads, and rivers. But you can choose from over 25 different presets, so there's definitely stuff to go through. Dropit. Just with one click, place your objects right on the surface. No guessing, no checking from all angles, just one click and you're good to go. BlenderKit. There are many great models, textures, and HDRIs available right in Blender. Just go to search, type whatever you need, and import it using the UI. There are both free and paid assets to choose from. This one is very simple, yet very important. This basically allows you to offset your animations. Here's a quick example. 10 cubes, each of these animated at the same time. Instead of adjusting it by hand, select all your objects, click on Object Data, choose the offset. 1 means it will offset by 1 frame, so let's go with 10, and click Offset Animation. In this case, all my cubes are named in order, so they animate one after another. If that's not the case for you, make sure to rename your objects or choose different sort by. TexTools. TexTools makes the process of UV unwrapping much easier. Thanks to this add-on, you can easily flatten your stretched maps and manage your islands. There are many useful tools, like for example baking right from the Addons UI. And that's it for today's video. If you're looking to step up your 3D game, make sure to check out our free training. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.